Okay, so in today's adventure, I decided to invite my dad to join me hiking up the Catbells in the Lake District. I was going to set challenges for this video, however, I thought I'd take the time to enjoy it instead. We did end up completing 3 summits, which was definitely worth it. Plus, I have not forgot about my forfeit from last video.
And I've got work in the morning, so that is an incomplete objective. Forfeits are up to you.
Which I'll be doing at the end of this video. So, without further ado, let's get into today's hike. Right, today we're climbing up Catbells. I'm with my dad. He decided to come along for this trip. We're going to do Catbells, then headed to Maiden Moor, and then after Maiden Moor, we're going to try and get the high spy. My little eye. Oh, the dad jokes have started and we're not even 2 minutes into this video. Oh, I'm dying here. We've got the drone as well today, so we're going to get some clips that we wouldn't usually get in a normal video. Catbells, it's one of the easier mountains in the Lake District, because I got to give my dad some leeway with it being his first time up a mountain. But yeah, we're gonna have a good day. We're gonna see how far we can get along. Not setting any challenges in this video, but I do have a forfeit to do at the end, so we'll get onto that afterwards. Let's enjoy it. Which one is it, Dad?
Mini 4 Pro. Mini Pro 4. Mini 4 Pro Go. DJI Mini 4 Pro.
We're going to get it up, get a view of the Catbells. It's a different sort of views to what we get in our normal videos. After taking in the incredible views the Catbells had to offer, we continued on towards Maiden Moor, which will be our second summit of the video. Right, we just got some lovely drone footage over the Catbells. We're now continuing on to Maiden Moor. We're going to head up there now, get some more drone footage, see what shots we can get from that, and then if my dad's feeling it, we're going to head on to High Spy, which is about...
My little eye.
Oh my god, dad jokes there. We're going to head on to High Spy and and get some more footage. It's only about 2 miles away from Maiden Moor and the terrain's mostly flat. Right, so we've reached the Maiden Moor summit. We've got the drone back up. It's going to do some tracking. So obviously this Maiden Moor doesn't have a summit point, it's just sort of a mirror on top of the mountains. We're headed to High Spy, which is that one there. It's been a good little hike this, then obviously we've got to come back down. But yeah, no challenges this video. Where is it? There. Where, keep it there. There it is. It's DJI Mini Pro 4. I'm gonna be bringing it on more of these trips because it's really handy to get some good shots. I think we've done about 4 miles so far. Then obviously to get the High Spy it's going to be about 5 miles, and then back it should be a 10-mile total trip. So yeah, let's get going. How you feeling, Dad?
Alright.
Yeah?
Bring it on.
We're nearly there now. Nearly at High Spy.
Are we nearly there yet?
Oh, shut up. Tell you what, I'm done with these dad jokes, like. Do you know what, right, Dad? I usually set challenges, right? But I haven't for this video because I thought you were going to struggle more than you were.
Alright.
And I was going to say the 3 summits, what we're doing, are the challenges. But we've done it anyway, haven't we?
Not yet.
Well, we're getting there. We're getting there. Right, we're about 0.5 miles away from High Spy summit. That's going to be our point that we're going to turn around and head back. I've been searching for a portable mic. I'm going to get the DJI portable mic because the wind is ridiculous with this camera. You know how it is if you've watched previous videos. Right, I'm putting it down here because the wind is horrendous. Like I was saying, we're going to get a portable mic so I can make the audio better, and hopefully it'll make the quality a bit better. It's been a fun little trip this, I've quite enjoyed myself. Don't forget, I've still got the forfeit at the end of the video. So, we were coming up to the 3rd and final summit of High Spy. Along this hike, I'd been taking in all the amazing views, but when we reached the summit, the drone did a better job than I ever could. our point where we're going to be turning around, High Spy.
With my little eye.
These dad jokes are starting to wind me up. How did you find it?
Yeah, it was alright.
Yeah?
Good first attempt.
Yeah.
Got a sweat on, but we made it.
Dad's first time back, like doing this sort of stuff, so thought I'd keep it easy just for the time being. He'll be coming with us on more of our little hikes and wild camps. We're looking to get there, Scarfell Pike, at some point. It won't be anytime soon, but we're looking to do that probably at some point next year. But in the meantime, we're going to keep doing these hikes, wild camps, and yeah, look forward to the forfeit at the end of the video. So as we're walking back down, in the background, there's a ridge back here. There's a ridge back there, and it's called Scar Crag. There's a summit called Causey Pike, which leads you along Scar Crag Ridge, and then takes you all the way through the grassmere. So we've just been looking at that, and I think we're going to try plan a route for that, and attempt that big ridge line at some point. I'm going to get it wrote down in my little video idea notes, and yeah, it's going to be one of our challenges to attempt that ridge line and do that hike. Probably with the length of the route as well, we'll probably end up wild camping up there. And just like that, we're back at the car, but it's now forfeit time. Okay, it's forfeit time. I was gonna do another forfeit, but we're back home. I've got my sister Kate here.
Hi.
Right, it's forfeit time. I was gonna do my forfeit in the lakes, but come back home, and we're now getting egged. We've got Kate, who's gonna be egging us. She's got 3 eggs. She can egg us whichever way she chooses to egg us, but 3 eggs, and that's it, that's a forfeit. Let's go.
Bird's gonna go over me.
My head's gonna... Oh, mate.
Oh, sorry.
I hope you're happy. Oh mate, I've got to clean this up now. Yeah, like and subscribe, please.